Members of the South Texas Family Planning and Health Corporation are doing their part to help the homeless when it comes to affordable health care and to get information. This is the summer resource fair taking place at the Mother Teresa shelter on Sam Rankin Street. The fair started at 9 this morning, wrapped up around noon. Organizers gave participants information on how to get health services and told them why this might help their futures.
It's important to check individuals while they are still in a healthy state before small problems becomes a large problem. And at South Texas Family Planning, we provide primary health care services as well as family planning services because we want people to be able to have a healthy life, to be available to assist their families as well as their children.
Very important there. Organizers added that events like these are more convenient for the ones who need it most. So